Hi everyone, I'm Chef Addy and welcome to Chef's Corner, where I share with you some of my thoughts on the world of food and cooking. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons why I think everyone should cook. Let's get started. Number 1, cooking is therapeutic and relaxing. Because we are dealing with natural ingredients, food, the processes are slow, it's different from the typical hard material outdoor world we need to deal with in our work lives. The process of cooking jo hai, it's very relaxing and therapeutic. I'm sure you have experienced it yourself. I certainly have. I find it very relaxing. It always puts me in a great mood. Cooking teaches us respect for food and respect for effort. Yes, I certainly think that it's important to cook because only then can you learn to respect food. You can learn to respect how food is such a life-giving energy for every living being on this planet. Also, I think once you start cooking, you are able to respect or start to appreciate the sheer amount of effort it takes to put together a dish or a meal for someone, which in turn I think leads to a respect for human effort and people's effort in general. It makes you more humble. I think it makes you more respectful of the little efforts that people make for us. Alright, cooking is a life skill. Now definitely, as we all know, for the last year and a half, we have been battling this pandemic, and as a result, a lot of people have discovered the cooks within them. Why? Because of course they've had time. Number 2, they have had to cook because they have not had an option of having somebody cook for them, whether they're domestic staff or whether anyone else who was providing them food. So it's a life skill. It is necessary to know at least basic cooking if you want to survive and you want to take care of your family, your friends and your loved ones if ever you need to. So it's a life skill, and I think it's really important that everyone learns how to cook. Cooking is a practical craft. Yes, I believe that cooking is a practical craft and it has an immediate use, and that is that whatever we are cooking or baking or making, we are able to consume either ourselves or we are able to feed our families, our friends, our loved ones, and generally make practical use of that craft and that time that we have spent cooking, right? So it's really practical, and that's what I love about it. Okay, last but not the least, it brings great joy to us and to those we are feeding. Cooking brings great joy to the cook. I think I cook because I find great joy not only in the process of cooking, but when I see the happiness on people's faces when they eat the food that I've cooked, or when I'm sharing a recipe with you all and then somebody cooks that recipe and writes in that they enjoyed it, their families enjoyed it. It brings a smile to my face, and it's the reason I cook every day of my life. So it brings great joy to ourselves and to all around us. It's the best way, or one of the best ways you can express your love and caring for your friends and your family. So that's my 5 reasons why I think everyone should cook. I'll see you next time on Chef's Corner right here.